Now we are in the corridor. This is lift lobby, entrance of the flat, 8 feet height, 4 feet width. This is the straight hall, living, dining and drawing area. This is your balcony. Balcony view from the second floor. This is the elevation of the structure, greenery. This is the sports. From your balcony towards entrance view. Now we are going to kitchen. This is your kitchen. This project spread across 18 acres, 12 towers, 18 floors, 1300 apartments, low density and high UDS. Now we are going to master bedroom. This is your master bedroom with attached washroom. Very good ventilation across the flat. Natural ample lighting. This is the washroom of master bedroom. Wash area. This is guest bedroom. Complete 3 bedroom, 3 toilets. This is the view from the guest bedroom window. Washroom. Children bedroom with attached washroom. If you like this flat, please contact on display number for more details to schedule your site visit. This is brand new 3 BHK flat, east facing, second floor. Price of the apartment 1 crore 60 lakhs, slightly negotiable price. Well connected to the Nehru Outer Ring Road and close to airport, close to financial district IT hub. Thank you so much. If you are watching first time AVP Properties Hyderabad YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share your friends and family members. Thank you.